Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Ronald W. Satz, founder and chair of the International Society of Unified Science and president of TransPower Corporation, a commercial and custom software manufacturing and certified systems engineering company. We're also certified software engineers. I work as a theoretical physicist and as a systems and mechanical engineer. Today's topic, like most of previous screencasts, about the reciprocal system and how it compares to conventional theories in physics. Topic today is on cosmological data. Let's go to Science Daily. We'll usually go for the latest research news. It says here Planck, that's that satellite. Final data from the mission lends support to the standard cosmological model. Science Daily is full of these experiments or observations which allegedly lend support to the standard models, but inevitably they do not. So anyway, let's see what they say here. Here's the summary. With its increased reliability and its data on the polarization of relic radiation, now that's an assumption that the CMBR is a relic. The Planck mission corroborates the standard cosmological model with unrivaled precision for these parameters, even if some anomalies still remain. And continuing here in the bold print, in 2013, ESA's Planck mission unveiled a new image of the cosmos, an all-sky survey of the microwave radiation produced at the beginning of the universe. Ha ha. This first light emitted by the universe provides a wealth of information about its content, its rate of expansion, and the primordial fluctuations in density that were the precursors of the galaxies. The Planck Consortium publishes the full and final version of these data and associated articles on the ESA website on 17 July 2018. The corresponding articles have been submitted to the Journal of Astronomy and Astrophysics. With its increased reliability and its data on the polarization of relic radiation, the Planck mission corroborates the standard cosmological model with unrivaled precision for these parameters, even if some anomalies still remain. Well, it's nonsense, of course. Let's see. And the article continues down here below. The polarization of relic radiation produces a signal 50 to 100 times weaker than that of its temperature and 10 to 20 times weaker than that emitted by the polarized emission of galactic dust. Thanks to high-frequency instrument, HFI, the Planck satellite nonetheless obtained an extremely precise map of primordial polarization across the entire sky. Now look what they say. 95% of the universe is made up of dark matter and dark energy, whose nature is not known. That's garbage. I'm going to go back here now. According to this article from Science Daily, the latest observations lend support to the conventional cosmological theories, but they really do no such thing. The data are actually perfectly consistent with the reciprocal system. The cosmic microwave background radiation, CMBR, from the other half of the universe, the cosmic sector, which is inverse to us, is situated in coordinate time, not coordinate space. Small fluctuations of the CMBR are to be expected simply because of the fluctuation in the output of the cosmic stars and galaxies. So this is not an indication of inflation or dark matter or dark energy. And by the way, the light from cosmic objects can be polarized as the light from material objects, astrophysical objects, can be polarized. So nothing new there. All right. Well, that does it for today. As usual, thanks for your attention. If you want the simplest possible treatment of the reciprocal system, please obtain my work, The Unmysterious Universe. It's only 80 pages. It has all the concepts, diagrams, figures, mostly text, very little math. But if you do want all the math, please obtain my magnum opus, Existence and Interactions, a computational treatise of the reciprocal system, the true theory of everything. 711 pages in the PDF file, 711 slides in the PowerPoint file. Keep you busy for months. Thousands and thousands of equations, diagrams, figures, tables, everything. Now, once you get through that, then you might consider getting the two database modules, the Reciprocal System Microcosmos database and the Reciprocal System Macrocosmos database. The Microcosmos database has the calculations for all the properties photons, subatoms, atoms, compounds, both material and cosmic particles. There's a great graphing facility in this module, and you can plot all the properties of matter. Now, the Reciprocal System Macrocosmos database has all the properties of the astrophysical world, the universe as a whole. Galaxy clusters and groups, star clusters, stars, planets, moons, minor bodies like asteroids and comets, nebulae and dust clouds, and voids. Very, very comprehensive. Complete graphing facilities also included. These two database modules are unique. Quantum mechanics and general relativity and any other theory, none of these have anything like what we have with the reciprocal system, which is the true theory of the universe. Study the reciprocal system and prove it for yourself. Please like this screencast today, and please subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for your attention.